we're watching certainly some of that smoke and haze. We'll take a look at that future track model in just a little bit. Some haze hanging around at 7 o'clock, 86 degrees. 9 o'clock, 78. By 11 o'clock, we'll be at 71. The winds northwesterly, they'll twist a little bit to the east and then back over towards the northwest. But here's a look at our latest future track model showing where you see some of the yellows and some of the oranges. Of course, and you look at our scale here, that's a little bit more of the thicker smoke and some of the haze, but we're generally going to be on the light side. So that's going to continue throughout the nighttime hours, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then start to shift a little bit farther off towards the west of us. Now, you can see the direction mainly going to drop from north to the south. So, you get around Columbus by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, you're going to see a little bit more of that smoke and haze. And then as we make our way to tomorrow afternoon, some of that going to shift a little bit. Here's a look at 5 o'clock. And again, we're talking about light areas of smoke and haze across portions of southern New Mexico, Doña County, and even into El Paso County. The wind shouldn't be much of an issue tomorrow. Maybe some occasional breezes at 25. Friday at 20. Then we start to pick up the winds just a bit. Kind of in that moderate range of the windy category. Look at Saturday, Sunday, and also Memorial Day on Monday. Looking at those gusts right around 40. Then the winds come down, breezy category once we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Look at the temperatures we expect to cross down for tomorrow. Fort Bliss at 97. Montana Vista at 96 degrees. 97 out there in Fabens and Clint at 98. High temperatures across Doña County. Going to be equally hot in the upper 90s. We'll have lots of sunshine. Of course, you got to figure in some of that smoke and haze as well throughout the day. 62 will be the overnight low sunset time now at 8:02, but we're going to be dealing with some of that haze out there. Tomorrow, 97. Temperatures, of course, going to be hotter than what they are today and at this hour. 56 overnight for you guys in Las Cruces. Your high temp tomorrow will make it up to 94. By the way, sunrise time will be at 3 minutes after 6 o'clock. Watch over the next several days. So we go 97, and then look here. Friday at 101, 102 on Saturday. That's when the winds start to pick up. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Again, those gusts going to be hovering right around 40. 100 on Sunday, then we drop down a little bit Monday at 95. Still hot, still above average. 95 on Tuesday, 95 anticipated for our Wednesday, Mark.
All right, Doppler, thank you.